Hello. Welcome. Uh, don't even really know what I want to say right now. Well, I know what I want to say. Sitting in the car, trying to avoid going into work tonight. Reached a point where, I want to work for me. You know what I mean? Make my own schedule, do what I want to do. Be with my kids by the pool somewhere making money. Little background, a former Teamster, union worker, labor, who worked his way up, jumped into the corporate world, managing. It's good. I make good money. I'm not doing labor anymore. Get to travel, 401k, all that stuff, but making somebody else rich, you know what I mean? Started this little thing, webmacking, straight through WEBMACKIN. Check me out on all the platforms. It's gonna be me making my little push to do my own little thing. Trying to get into some e-commerce, affiliate marketing, web development. Nothing's off limits. You know what I mean? If you're interested in following me along this journey, subscribe, like, share it, and drop a couple links in the description down here. Let you know how you can connect with me, maybe make some money with me.